No, what did you do your hand?
Tonight, something toxic holding onto me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Eating, using mirrors.
My channel. This is going to be my last vlog on in this room. I am finally moving out of this room, and of course I have to carry you guys along throughout the process. So currently right now I want to make rice and beans, and I have a company around with me. I have Stephanie. You guys already know Stephanie. This is Stephanie. She is Grace's friend, so she came to say hello to me. Grace was sleeping at this moment, so it was just I and Stephanie in my room, and I was about cooking. So I am moving out of this room. I am so happy. If you ask me how I feel, I am so happy. Okay, nothing is too small, nothing is too small for me. So I am going to give you guys a tour. Continue watching.
Finally moving out of this room. Saying goodbye to this room. I think I need to carry this bed up because of the cold. I'm just here to give you guys a tour. I'm packing. Of this room. Hey guys, so this is my empty room. I've moved out of this room. Empty room tour, and it's left with this fan and my bucket, and this is the outside view. Let me give you guys, this is the outside view. You guys I've already seen this outside multiple times. So I showed you guys earlier when there was stuff inside the room. I can hear my voice echoing at the background. So empty room tour, but this room is big. Wow, so I'm just going to be getting the remaining stuff there, my gas and my cooking stuff and my bucket. I'm going to show you guys my new room now. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my new room now. So what title should I give this video? See the ceiling. Okay, this is the floor. I removed my carpet already. Yeah, I tell you, please stand for me. But it's in the dark for me. The video, I'm going to use this screenshot here. This fan now, so that I can take it to the other room. I just cleaned this fan today. And see, it's looking all neat and clean. Oh, don't worry. I already. I walk out there. Like balance video games and see. I'm going to the new room now. Yo. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. I'm now Mary's neighbor. This is Mary's lifestyle. This is her room. And this is my room.
A crazy neighbor here. Sick. She's cleaning her room, as you can see. Like, her name is Joyo. Yeah. You can also see her own space. It's like I'm joining her. You can see, leave long room. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Open this door. Oh, Jesus. Why don't you are?
So when you come into the room, this is what you get. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday to you all. How are you guys doing? It's a beautiful Sunday here, reporting live from Lagos State. We're actually doing some washing here in the compound today. I didn't carry you guys along earlier, but I just remember. In fact, life of a content creator, you always forget that you are a content creator most time. So yeah, this is, we're washing this room. Let me show you guys. Let me turn the camera so that you guys can see. See the room. No, what did you do your hand?
Come the carry this. No, they video people for that.
I go video you. Talk again.
Come carry this dustbin
To where?
If you don't pack dustbin for you, dirty.
Wait till do your hand. My room is clean, oh. I was only helping. My room no dey inside. My room no dey inside the room where dirty.
Now we are going to wash them again.
Which one? Which side?
Next week. Yes.
And
Then they wash them. They never come now. Then they come now on Monday. You never see them now. You don't see lot. Who go wash them again next week?
they don't they prepare their room now.
No wash it.
Us. No worry, just define where we go talk.
The minor, landlady they go.
She just define waiting we go talk.
When I come, this thing too dirty where you keep for road here. Carry and keep them there for the more there.
I go keep them for their domot.
Is it a joke? You go kill una there.
Which people domot?
Face me and slap you. The reality of living in face me and slap you. So this is the room we were washing. This room, people about to move in. They are about to do some touch up in this room. So they have to first start washing the room. You can see the ceiling. It's so messed up. Can you stop shouting? Today is Sunday.
Off your camera.
Today is Sunday.
Carry the camera.
I know they carry a
Neighbor.
You killing me?
Why are you videoing me now? I don't like it.
And you will like it though.
I don't like it.
You will like it though.
I don't like it.
You will like it though.
I don't like it.
You will like it
I
though.
don't like it.
You will like it
I
though.
will stone you.
Stone me now. Choosing Mopo. You know say Christmas don't reach.
Christmas don't reach and you are looking for trouble.
Make I no carry one eye.
You are looking for trouble.
They go my papa house.
You are looking for trouble.
Where the trouble? They I won't look for them. I never see trouble. Now I will wash my teeth. Let's
You
go.
don't go.
I know one.
Stand here and video people, woman business.
Yes, now who else I go video even though be human being?
Goat and rat and
Yes, so everything videoable. Everything videoable. Now don't make me wait till I be one talk. I no talk again. Look at this one, the waka up and down. Videoable. That's what I will be videoing. Just zoom up. Guys, see my hair. I made it yesterday. Let me show you that. New look around. Let me go and bath. Let's go and bath. So people when they go church, no, they make heaven. For Shizimopo. Eh? It's not like that though. No be like that they do. Boundary in the evening. Wow. There is boundary market in the evening. Making the laugh now. This one. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, was with you. Yeah, never knew like him. I just want no. No, they put Jara. I don't really upgrade for this market. Boundary market in the evening. Ayah pinai kang akena. Bera boleh huga fo.